Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika. Here is what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Study unveils connection between snoring and elevated blood pressure. Nature Medicine. Australian research has found a link between snoring and elevated blood pressure. According to the study, which was conducted by sleep scientists from Flinders University in South Australia, people who regularly snore at night are more likely to have elevated blood pressure and uncontrolled hypertension. The study found that 15% of 12,287 participants snored for more than 20% of the night on average over a 6-month monitoring period, and that those with high snoring levels had a 3.8 mmHg higher systolic blood pressure and 4.5 mmHg higher diastolic blood pressure than participants who did not snore. The Flinders University study was the first to use multiple night home-based monitoring technologies over a prolonged period to investigate the link between snoring and hypertension. Participants in the study were middle-aged and 88% were male. For the first time, we can objectively say that there is a significant connection between regular nighttime snoring and high blood pressure. Bastien Lichet, lead author of the research from the College of Medicine and Public Health at Flinders University, said in a media release on Wednesday. These results emphasize the significance of considering snoring as a factor in healthcare and treatment for sleep-related issues, especially in the context of imaging hypertension. The World Health Organization estimates that 1.28 billion adults aged 30 to 79 years worldwide have hypertension, and that 46% of adults with hypertension are unaware that they have the condition. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.